Hi, this is Sarah from Meeting Hub. In this tutorial, we'll explain the easiest way to set up a new user, whether that's within your own organisation or if you're setting up a new user for one of your customers. We'll begin by talking about the different user profiles that can be set up. Meeting Hub has 3 different user profiles. Firstly, a basic user. This is the default user type assigned to all new user accounts. A basic user can only make bookings. Then there's a customer service representative. This user type typically manages everything to do with bookings. They are unable to change any settings for your organisation that have a financial impact. Finally, there's a business centre administrator. This user type will act as the administrator for your organisation and will typically be involved in the setup of your organisation within Meeting Hub, as well as being responsible for managing all aspects of bookings, including setting rates and discounts, as well as maintaining financial and accounts payable and integration parameters. Let's look at the easiest way to set up a new user. From the login page, click on Login, Sign Up, then click Sign Up. We now need to fill in all the details within this form. You'll notice some of the parameters have an asterisk. These are mandatory fields and must be filled in. Those fields that don't have an asterisk are optional and do not need to be filled in. You'll notice I've put a company name here, and doing so will also create a company within Meeting Hub, which is why this way is quicker than doing it within the Meeting Hub admin panel. We'll talk more about that in a moment. Now click Sign Up. You'll notice a pop-up New Registration Successful and details have been emailed. So when you create a user on behalf of one of your customers, they do receive an email to say that their user account has been created, but you'll need to separately share with them their password, which they can then change from the welcome button, My Details, Reset Password. Let's go and look at the admin panel and what's happened with that user now we've created it. Click on Manage Users and Companies, Users People, and you can search for your new user by putting in their first or surname. I'm going to put the surname and click Go, and I can see my new user here. Clicking on the button and Edit User will enable me to change their type of user should that be required. Now the user I've set up here is one of my customers, so I'll keep this user as a basic user type. If you were setting this user up as someone within your organisation, you would then need to select either CSR or Business Centre Admin, depending on what their role is within your organisation. Once you've made any changes on this page, you then need to scroll and click Save. Now we spoke about the system also setting up a company once we've added a new user, and I can see that my Kenny company has been set up here. Should I need to add additional information to the company, I can edit the client and add in any additional details that I may require, such as their address and contact emails, etc. The system only puts in the company name that you added on the user registration. It's as simple as that. I hope you found that easy, and we'll keep on adding these tutorials over the coming weeks. Thanks for your time.